Hey, it's time to make your 401k selections, something that we all dread. And you look at all the choices and realize you don't have a clue which fund or which funds to select. So you probably do what most people do. You ask your friends which funds they are selecting. That could be like copying on an exam when you were back in school from the worst student in the class. But don't fret. There is a method that will help you be sure that you don't overload your retirement plan in one particular asset class. Typically, I see a retirement plan account that has several large cap funds and nothing in the rest of the market, mid cap, small cap, or international funds that are available. Diversification is a must in any investment portfolio. This starts with allocation amongst different asset classes that I mentioned already, such as large cap, mid cap, small cap, international, as well as fixed income. One of the tools to use this when researching, yes, there is some homework that you'll have to do, is to look at what's called the style box. The style box, which is item one below, it's a box filled with 9 different boxes. And this classifies which asset class the mutual fund falls into. Is it large cap, value, blend, or growth? Is it mid cap, value, blend, or growth? Or small cap, value, blend, or growth? The 9 boxes in the chart to fill, or in the chart to fill. Again, 3 large cap, 3 mid cap, 3 small cap. The goal is for you, as owner of this 401k account, is to fill all the boxes. That will give you easy for me to say, total diversification amongst the U.S.-based stock funds within your retirement plan. Now, don't forget the international funds. There should be some available in your plan, and they also should be included to have a well-diversified 401k portfolio. You need to be well diversified to help lower the volatility. Looking at figure number 2, and this might remind you of chemistry class, is something called the Callan chart of investment returns. As you can see, for example, in the year 2000, MSCI Emerging Markets was last place on the chart, middle of the pack in 2001, and a bit better in 2002. Then first place, 2003, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But in 2008, the sector was in last place, losing 53% for the year. The beauty of this chart is it shows you why it pays to fill all the boxes, because you never know where your investment's going to do from one year to the next, and you definitely don't want to try to time the market. Nobody has done that successfully over long term. Nobody. Now, when it comes to diversification, stocks and bonds should be in the portfolio most of the time. Some feel that bonds are safer than stocks, but bonds, and especially bond mutual funds, which is all you have in a 401k, can be quite volatile. What moves bonds is interest rates. You may hear about the Federal Reserve Bank going to be raising or lowering rates. This all affects the overall markets. If rates go up, then the price of bonds go down. Just think of it like the old seesaw. Rates up, bond prices down. With current interest rates being historically low, then the probability of rates going up is far greater than the rates going down. So I would suggest that people who are more than 5 years from retirement think twice about allocating money to bonds at all. Now, some 401k plans offer what's called a stable value fund. This is a fixed income contract that are not affected at all by the movement of interest rates. These are an excellent way to reduce the volatility of your overall portfolio, give you a guaranteed positive return, and like I say, not affected at all by interest rates. But not all 401ks offer these alternatives. So in that case, you might want to look for some limited term or short term bond funds or some floating rate bond funds, things that will be less affected by the rise of interest rates, which again are historically quite low right now. The bottom line, though, is if you don't feel comfortable making these decisions on your own, then Frank 401k is here, and that's why you can reach out to me via email or or give me a call. All the contact information is on the site here. Let me know if I could be of any help. Thanks for watching, and look for a topic soon, a new topic. Thanks. Bye.